In this exercise for energy storage, we are going to use the red color energy. Place a candle in front of you between your two palms. Not too close where you could burn yourself, just enough. Look at the candle and then close your eyes. Introduce this burning candle. Introduce yourself, your silhouette. Just in case if you don't understand what silhouette is, a silhouette is an image of a person, object, or sense represented as a solid shape of a single color, usually black, with its edges matching the outer line of the subject. So if you're sitting in a lotus position, which is really good, because such as the shape of 8 or infinities is very important for pumping and distributing energy. Remember, not a single thought should be in your head, which is where mind vacuum meditation is important. There's nothing else, only yourself and the candle. Friends, whether you want it or not, this chakra, it is still responsible for your survival, for your health of the digestive tracts, bones. If you do everything with the mental vacuum, then you can heal the organs in this area at the level of this chakra, just by filling yourself with this color. Have you ever wondered why is that? There are ancient old things, such as fire is one of such manifestation. Why do we love to look at fire? Fire is an egregore that exists for billions of years. If you have a whole hour looking at this fireplace near the stove, I personally remember moments when I sat with my grandfather and add firewood, and this moment inspired me. Why? Because fire has energy, and we are not talking about the thermal energy. It has the energy of creation and destruction. So if you have the opportunity to do this exercise, if not with a candle, but you can do it with fire, it is even better. Have a fire pit. But back to the exercise. From this candle through the centers of both hands, on inhalation, red energy enters your body. It's just like water in a jug. It descends down the body, filling it. So, from this candle to the center of both of your hands, to the level of the first chakra, hold it, hold your breath for 5 seconds, hold your palm still. And as you exhale, exhale is long, slow, and relaxed. Firstly, this is a development of visualization. Secondly, the visualization of color. Thirdly, this is a very good recovery, repair, and accumulation of the first chakra. Friends, if your chakras are weak, especially the first chakra, the 6th chakra, and 7th chakra, then visualization of something more complicated will be difficult to achieve. This exercise is especially good for those who suffer from some sort of fears. How to get rid of fears? Stop being afraid. So place a candle in front of you between your two palms. Look at the candle first, then close your eyes. Introduce this burning candle, introduce to yourself or your silhouette. Now yourself from the back as if you were leaving your body. That is, you are in front of Shiloh. It's always good to imagine yourself or visualize yourself as a lotus position for the purpose of pumping and distributing energy. With your eye closed, you begin to take a breath. Inhale a long, deep, slow 5-second breath. As you inhale, the red energy, the red color is coming inside, filling in your body, from your hands to your spine, down to the level of your first chakra. And then you hold. After you're done inhaling, you hold onto that breath. And as you're holding onto that breath for 5 seconds, the energy is distributing all on your around areas of your first level chakra. And then exhale long and relax. And then the energy dissipates. Then you start again. You repeat this exercise, and this will end our first exercise.